Hello all. In this video we will see how to install ROS in your Ubuntu system. So if you had any problems installing ROS, then this video is for you. So I have provided this file in the description of this video. Please check it out. Like if you have any problems installing ROS, then please check this out. First of all, let us do a fresh installation of the ROS in our systems. So the thing is, like, we'll remove all the ROS related packages in our system first to make sure that ROS is completely freshly installed in our systems. So just open your terminal and just paste the command sudo apt remove ROS start. So I'm not gonna press the enter now because I have completely installed ROS in my system. So if you had any problems, please go further and delete this ROS related packages in your system. Then you need to check your bash rc file. If it contains anything related to ROS, then you are supposed to delete that. So I have source opt ROS melodic setup.bash. This is the ROS file related to like melodic version of the ROS. So if you have any of this, please delete these two lines and save the file and close the window. And next, check your Python version in your system. Python -v is the command. So mine, the version is 2.7.17. Make sure that your Python version is strictly 2.7, or else ROS raises a lot of errors in your system. So for any of the things, if you have installed Python 3.6, then please use this command to update it to Python 2. So this makes sure that your Python version is set to Python 2. So if you check the Python version now, it will be Python 2.7.17. Make sure this is Python 2.7, as this is the important step in the process of installation of ROS. So let us clear the screen, and next we need to update our repositories and all. So run sudo apt update. As I've updated my command, my system using this, I'm not gonna do this now. So for the next part of the installation, ROS installation, please go to this link, just paste it in Chrome, and you will be presented with this website. So in this website we are provided with the commands to install ROS in our Ubuntu system. So upon scrolling down, we can find the steps to install that. So first of all, we need to configure our Ubuntu repositories. For that, we need to search for software and updates. So go to activities, search for software and updates, click on this, and you'll be presented with this screen. So make sure all the 4 checkboxes are checked, and close the window. And next, the actual installation starts. So open up a terminal, and copy this command and paste it and press enter. It will ask for the password. Please enter the password. Yeah, this is executed now. Next, we need to set up the key for the execution of this commands. So copy this command and paste it in your terminal and press enter. That gets executed. Next, the actual installation of the ROS melodic version comes into the picture. So before that, we need to update our repositories. So sudo apt update and press enter. Once this is done, we need to install the ROS melodic desktop full version of ROS. So this contains all the packages we have to install. This is the entire ROS package suite. We can run this using this command. So paste the command and press enter. So I'll not be executing this command now, as I have already installed this in my computer. This takes a lot of time to install, so it may take around anywhere around 20 to 40 minutes based on your internet and all those things. So I'll not be executing this command now. Once you have installed executed the command, then you have to initialize your ROS dependencies. So copy this command and paste it in your terminal and run the command. So this initializes the ROS dependencies in your etc ROS folder, and the name of the file was is this thing. So next you need to update your ROS repositories and dependencies. So paste ROSDep update. This updates all your dependencies in your system. So let's wait for a while. Yeah, this is now installed and updated in our systems. So as we can see, updated cache in the following location. This means that we have successfully updated our ROS dependencies. And the next thing is to set up the ROS environment in the system. So for that we need to source the path of the bash file which is present in the ROS melodic folder. So you can run this command, or directly you can run echo source opt ROS melodic setup .bash from your bashrc file. This makes sure that every time you open up a new terminal, the ROS packages are loaded into that terminal, and you can initialize any of the ROS commands directly without having to source the file every time you open up a new terminal. Hope I'm clear. So echo this thing, copy this and paste it over here and run those. I have already done that, so I'll not be executing now. To make sure that thing is added in your bashrc file, just open the bashrc file in your text editor and scroll down, and see, this line is the source path of the setup.bash file. So this has been executed. So next thing is to get the ROS install Python dependency. This package is used to run many of the ROS packages. So please copy this command and paste it in your terminal and press enter. I'll not be executing this command. You can press enter and execute that. So now we have installed the ROS melodic version completely in our Ubuntu system. Next, open up a new window in your terminal, and to check all the installation was completed successfully, we need to enter ROS core. What this command does is, like, if the ROS installation was proper, this initializes the ROS packages in our system. So if we press enter, as we can see here, it says that started core services. This means ROS has been completely perfectly installed in our systems. Okay, that's it for the installation part. In the next video we will see how to run the turtle sim in the ROS packages. Stay tuned for that. Thank you guys.